everyone. I am Erica from the Chattanooga Public Library. I am here for Make, Play, Read, Learn to show you how to do science and art together. We are going to be making fizzy art. Here are the supplies that you are going to need today. You need baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, a pipette or a little medicine syringe I just happen to have in my cabinet, small bowls. These are going to contain your colored vinegar. You are going to need a thick piece of paper. I have watercolor paper, but you could use cardstock or construction paper or even just regular printer paper if that's all that you have. You'll also need to grab a baking sheet. This is going to contain our art experiment that we are going to do. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Okay, now that we have our supplies set up, the first thing we're going to do after we put our paper in our cookie sheet is sprinkle baking soda over. You don't want to have a whole lot. You want to have just a light dusting over your paper. The next thing that you are going to do is you are going to fill your bowls with vinegar. Okay, now that we have our bowls filled with vinegar, we're going to take our food coloring and we're going to put a few drops in each bowl of vinegar. Okay, you are going to need to stir those up a little bit to get that color mixed into your vinegar. All right, now it's time to go to town. You're going to get some vinegar up in your pipette or your syringe and spray it, squirt it on your paper. Switch up your colors and watch the fizzy reactions from the vinegar and the baking soda. Having that food dye in your vinegar helps you see the reactions better, and it will leave a beautiful imprint on your paper to remember your fizzy art. Oh, I like that blue. Now pull it back a little bit. All right, you're ready to squirt. Do another color.
How about maybe purple? Ooh, how about blue?
That was the coolest one. You haven't done green yet.
And what, green? Here.
And there you go. You can put as much or as little color on your paper as you want, or if you don't have paper, you can also just have the option of putting your baking soda straight on your cookie sheet. You'll want to cover it all up so it's white, and then you can spray your vinegar or drip your vinegar all over your baking soda. You won't be able to keep your artwork that way, but you can still see how awesome it looks when the colors are reacting together. Try mixing up your colors, see if you can make some new colors. Have lots of fun, and good luck. I can't wait to see you again. Bye.